Hi everyone, I am very excited because we are just finished a special clinic for hygiene. We are in north of Germany at the moment, and we just finished to do this important project for us and for our dental chair, for Simple&smart as well, because it's a new things that is going to be developed in the dentistry market, and we are going to have a look. We just finished to install 6 chairs in this beautiful village with a bird that is helping us to make this video. And so we have a look inside, and you can see this new solution that we found for the dentistry market. We are inside the clinic now. We are making, they are still finishing the clinic, but as you can see, it's almost ready. And here is the solution that we just made for the dentistry field. So we just applied the EMS new system for teeth cleaning on our dental chair. So it's a complete system, and the chair is used mainly for the hygiene works that has to be done with the patient. So it's something very, very new. It's the first time that we do this thing on our dental unit, and is now ready to be placed on the market, as you can see. So this EMS system works for hygiene. Here we have the scaler, and here we have the Profi system, and is developed by EMS. We just apply on our dental unit. We did this custom tray, so we can have different sizes for this, and we apply our control panel. We have here a touch PC with our new camera as well, and all this system is very new, so we are quite excited to be here in Germany and to provide this solution for the dentistry.